Muster Station. A muster station is a safe gathering place on a ship or in a building where people go during an emergency, like a fire or evacuation. It's a specific spot assigned to each person where they meet to check that everyone is safe and to get further instructions. It's like a designated area to go to if something bad happens. Fire alarm. When fire alarm sounded, this means the fire alarm has gone off and everyone must pay attention. Fire in designated location, go to your muster station. This tells you where the fire is and that you need to go to your safety meeting point, just like the muster station. General alarm. General alarm sounded. This is a warning that there is an emergency and everyone needs to act fast. Go to the nearest exit. Leave the ship using stairs, not the elevator, for safety. All crew members to their stations. Crew members need to go their assigned areas to help with the emergency. Abandon ship alarm. Abandon ship, everyone must leave. This tells everyone to leave the ship immediately in case of serious danger. Go to the lifeboats or muster stations. Head to the lifeboats or safety points where you'll be evacuated. Man overboard signal. Man overboard, man overboard. This means someone is falling into the water and needs help. Throw the life ring, act quickly. Throw a life ring to the person in the water and start the rescue. CO2 alarm. CO2 alarm sounded. Go to safe areas. The CO2 system is working to put out a fire, so go to a safe area away from the gas. Ventilate the area. Make sure the area is aired out to remove the gas and keep people safe. Engineer's call. When there is a problem with the engine, engineers need to help. Go to the engine room. Engineers need to go to the engine room right away. Fix the problem and update the crew. Engineers should fix the issue and let others know how it's going. Cargo hold flooding. Cargo hold flooding detected. Water has entered the cargo hold. Check the water level. Check how much water has flooded the hold. Turn on the bilge pumps. Activate the pumps to remove the water. Seal the cargo hold. Seal the hold to stop more water from getting in. Report the situation. Tell the officer in charge about the flooding and follow their instructions. Pollution prevention alarm. When pollution alarm sounded, there is a risk of pollution, like oil or waste being released. Stop all discharge. Stop any activities that might release pollution, like dumping waste. Check the pollution control systems. Ensure that pollution prevention systems are working correctly. Contain the pollution. Take steps to stop the pollution from spreading. Report to the authorities. Inform the proper authorities about the pollution. Prepare for inspection. Make sure the pollution prevention equipment is ready for inspection. Engine room flooding. When engine room flooding detected, water has entered the engine room. Turn on the bilge pumps. Activate the bilge pumps to remove water from the engine room. Seal the engine room. Take steps to stop more water from entering the engine room. Tell the officer in charge. Inform the officer in charge about the flooding. Check the water levels and engine safety. Monitor the water levels and make sure the engine is safe.